Hello everyone. Again this lecture is continuation of lock object. I will move on to transaction code SC38. I am opening the same program. I will put a breakpoint. Now I will show you each and everything in the debugging mode. I am executing the program. I am providing the input 4969. I am executing the program. I am going for desktop 3, which is the most preferable desktop. Now I will open SM12 transaction code in the new session, which is used for seeing the lock entries. Now if I am displaying the list, so currently we don't have any entry in the SM12. Now if I am pressing F6, if I am checking for SM12, now see, we have one entry for sales document number 4969, and we have this 4969 is now locked by my user ID. My user ID is ABAP_FAC01. At which time I have locked this? 8:48. And what is the mode? Mode is write mode, because for write mode the value is E. Now what I will do, see, in this case size sub RC value is 0, because I am the first user who is locking this sales document number. Now what I will do, I will open the same program in the new session. Now this is my the program in the new session. Now I will open the same program in the new session. SC38. I will run this same program. I am providing the input 4969. Now I click on the execute button. I am going for desktop 3. Now see, now if I am pressing F6, see, now the value of size sub RC is 1, because that 4969 is already locked by my user ID. Now if I am checking for SM12, in SM12 that sales document number 4969 is already locked by my user ID. So another users, if another users or same user wants to use the same sales document number, he cannot use it, because that sales document number is already locked by my user ID. So if I am executing this program, see size sub RC is 1. So if I am executing this program, so I have the error message that says this sales document number is already locked. So this is the way by which you can lock the objects, or by which you can protect the things to be accessed from another users. So at a time only one user can lock the object. Once the work of first person will finish, and after that the second person can use that object. Thank you.